Welcome to RV Road Report. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the Mercedes Greyrock Camper van motorhome. This beauty isn't just a vehicle. It's freedom on four wheels, finished in a vibrant white, built with a rugged long body, and powered by 4x4 wheels. This Greyrock is ready for any adventure, from mountain trails to coastal highways. If you've ever dreamed of taking your home wherever your heart goes, this van will make that dream real. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore the Greyrock camper van in full detail. Exterior front view. Take a look at that front design, sleek, bold, and unmistakably Mercedes. The signature three-pointed star logo sits proudly in the center of a muscular grille, surrounded by LED headlights that add a futuristic edge. The front bumper is built tough for off-road journeys, while the aerodynamic lines make it stylish enough for the city. Parked here in the official Mercedes showroom, the Greyrock stands out with its clean white finish, simple, elegant, yet ready to conquer any terrain. This is the face of luxury and adventure blended perfectly. Topside view. Now, let's head to the top. The rooftop is where the Greyrock truly becomes self-sufficient. You'll notice high-efficiency solar panels mounted seamlessly across the top, ensuring power wherever you go. There's also a satellite antenna, perfect for connectivity even in remote locations, and an AC unit that keeps the van cool during those long summer drives. This is not just a camper, it's a smart home on wheels. Every inch is crafted to make life on the road easier, cleaner, and more connected. Backside view. Swing around to the rear. And here's where practicality meets adventure. The back door is fitted with an extra tire mount, ready for quick replacements on the go. But you'll also see a cycle carrier neatly attached. Ideal for those spontaneous bike rides when you camp near the hills or the beach. The rear lights are compact yet bright, ensuring visibility even in tough weather. Everything about this back design says one thing. This camper is ready for real journeys, not just city drives. Side view. Now take a look at the side. This is one of my favorite features. The extendable side tent gives you a cozy outdoor lounge setup, perfect for sipping coffee in the morning or watching sunsets by the fire. Fold-out chairs, a mini table, maybe even a portable grill. The Greyrock turns every stop into a vacation spot. This side view truly captures the camper lifestyle, simple, open, and surrounded by nature without losing comfort. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and you immediately feel the luxury Mercedes is known for. The cockpit design is clean and futuristic. Dual LED displays greet the driver, one for navigation and system info, and the other for a live rear-view feed, giving full control on narrow paths. The leather seats are ultra-comfortable, adjustable, and heated. Every control is within arm's reach, and visibility is excellent. It feels less like driving a van and more like piloting a private jet. Sitting and sleeping area, just behind the driving space, you enter the living zone, where the sofa converts into a full-sized bed in seconds. Soft lighting, side windows, and modern wood finishing give this space a cozy, home-like vibe. Whether you're watching a movie, reading, or just relaxing after a long drive, this area blends style with comfort. It's your mini living room, but one that moves wherever you do. Kitchen. Next up, the kitchen zone. Small but smart. You've got a dual burner stove, a compact sink, a mini fridge, and enough storage for your essentials. Overhead cabinets are designed to lock during motion, so no rattling or mess. Imagine cooking breakfast while parked by a lake or brewing coffee before sunrise. That's the freedom this Greyrock gives you. Efficient, elegant, and perfect for travelers who love homemade meals on the go. Washroom. Now, take a look at the washroom, designed with smart engineering. Though compact, it includes a toilet, small basin, and shower unit, all fitted perfectly into the limited space. Water-saving fixtures, a small mirror, and efficient ventilation make it practical and surprisingly comfortable. Mercedes has made sure every square inch serves a purpose. Nothing wasted, nothing missing. And there you have it, the complete Mercedes Greyrock camper van motorhome. An all-in-one luxury adventure machine, beautiful in design, rugged in performance, and built to make every mile memorable. All this at a starting price of just $37,000. That's true value for anyone who wants mobility without compromise. So tell us, What would be your dream destination with this Greyrock camper van? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.